Hi, Sam from Federal Brace, and today we're going to take a look at our all-new hidden shelf bracket. Federal Brace's hidden shelf bracket features an 8-inch arm length and is made of 1/4-inch steel. It has 1-inch mounting slots on the back for a perfect fit. It also features a 30-pound carry capacity and can be used in conjunction with some of our other floating shelf brackets. Now let's go take a look at how to install one of these. So first I've marked my height for the brackets and used a level to make sure that the height will be level. Next I'm going to take my bracket and mark for my pilot holes. We recommend always using a drill bit that's going to be slightly smaller than your screw size for your pilot holes to make sure that it'll grip and also that you are getting enough support structure. Now that we have our pilot holes drilled, we can mount our bracket. And now using the slots, we're able to adjust the bracket to be in the exact position it needs to be. And now again, we can use these slots to adjust the bracket into the perfect position and make sure it's completely level. And now you can take your floating shelf and install it right on the brackets. The hidden shelf bracket is an easy to install solution for your floating shelf design. As always, subscribe to our channel for updates and new products from Federal Brace.